Hi, this is Kanchana working as assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering and Computer Science and Technology Department. In last video, we have seen about what is singly linked list and what are all the operations there, uh, like that. So in today's lecture, we are going to see the node creation in detail. Let's move on to the video. So before going to other operations, we need to concentrate on the traversal operation, which is more important. That is to print each node's data. We have to traverse the linked list till the end. Algorithm is to create a temporary node that assign the head node's address, print the data which is present in the temp node. After printing the data, move the temp pointer to the next node. Do the above process till we reach the end. That is, to print each node's data, we have to traverse the linked list till the end. So temp points to the head node, that is temp's data is equal to 10, which will be printed. Temp will point to the next node, that is temp is equal to temp turns to next. So that is it may be the middle node. So temp will point to the next node. So if temp is not equal to null, then temp data will be printed. So here the temp data is 20, so it will be printed. Again temp will point to the next node, that is temp tends to temp next. So it will check whether the temp node is null or not. If it is not null, then the data present in the node will be printed. Again temp will point to the next node. Then here in this scenario, the third node, when the temp points to the third node, it will be null. So it indicates that the linked list is end. So temp equal to null. Here the temp is equal, temp tends to temp next is null. So stop the process. We have printed the whole linked list here. So it shows that scenario. So here we have a question, why we need to use temp pointer instead of it, why we are not using head pointer, why we have another pointer called temp. So if we use the head pointer instead of the temp, while we printing the linked list, we will miss the tracking of the starting node, because if we move to the next node, we may have to we might have missed the starting pointer, so we don't know where we have started. So after printing the data, head node will be point to the null. So to avoid that, we should not change the head node's address while processing the linked list. So we should always use the temporary node to manipulate the linked list. So linked list can be implemented in several ways. So the most common way used to implement the singly linked list, array implementation. So when we using an array, we need a temp pointer and an head pointer to perform all operations in the singly linked list. Traversals, insertion, deletion. For all operations, we need to use two pointers. One is an head pointer, so head pointer point to the first, always point to the first node, and temp pointer is used for traversal. So by using this way, we can have the starting pointer and end of the list. So to traverse the list, we can use a temp pointer. So temp pointer, which is very important when we implement a singly linked list using an array. So to print, so in this lecture, we conclude that, so to create a node, we are using in C to create a node in C. We have to use structure for creation, and we have to traversal a tree. To traversal a linked list, we have to use temp pointer. So on this is very important one. So temp pointer to traversal a list. Thank you.